Hey everyone, today we'll be focusing on graphs today. Particularly we'll be going over what we have built for our undirected graphs for a brief overview, and without any further hesitation, let's get started. Now just going over a brief overview for our undirected graphs. So basically what we've already done is that we have our included libraries. We also have using namespace std. Then we have our class that we already declare in a public instance. We have initialized our vertices and our adjacency list to be able to construct the graph. We have made a constructor accordingly. We focus on the problem of adding an edge. Then we also focus on removing a vertex that would dissociate from all the rest of the neighbors. And we have updated our graphs accordingly using a graph printer that we have called upon inside of our main function. And then we notice in particular when we remove an edge, it's very similar to when we add an edge as well. Then we perform depth first search iteratively. Notice how we just use one function in this case. And then we perform depth first search recursively. So we would have two instances or two functions that will call upon each other based on definition of recursion. And then we will perform breadth first search iteratively in the similar case of what we did for depth first search iteratively. But breadth first searches, unlike depth first search, uses a queue, and depth first search uses a stack based on principle. And breadth first searches, we have done so with recursion. We get the similar output, same output that we have for breadth first search, but the difference is that the nature of depth first search searches the depth of the graph, while breadth first search is focused on the level of a given graph. Hence the natures and the different outputs that we have accordingly. So going inside our main, we have our constructor we called with 6 different vertices we added, along with a graph printer that we have called upon from our helper function we have made that we have modified. So because undirected graphs don't have arrows, unlike directed graphs, we perform depth first search, breadth first search, and another breadth first search. Our full graph that we have already situated, removed a vertex, and then also removed an edge accordingly. Yes, we have done so. And yes, this was our undirected graph. Now let's move over to a weighted graph for our next iteration. Hey everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure and feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, please put them in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.